ball fade you. Let the ball fade you. There you go. Good. Catch it over your outside, Jeremiah. Over your outside shoulder. If you screw up, finish, right? No, Here, outside. Force yourself to don't throw a perfect ball. Good ball. It's a good ball. Perfect. When they're wide open, you're real sticky. Perfect. They're rarely going to be wide open. You're going to score that. Make it hard. Make your legs stay inside out. We're working on going with air. We're working on staying inside out. Doesn't have to be a rocket. Hold it behind him because you're not one. Defender's inside. Defender's inside.